Hi there, guys. I'm coming at you with a video, and I went on Amazon and I purchased this Modelones gel nail polish starter kit, and I got it on Black Friday, and I think the price was like $26.99 or something like that. But now I notice the price has gone up to $34.99. But you can still purchase one. It's still a very good price for the things that you get on the inside of this kit. And so, guys, I'm going to show you a few things that come in the kit. I'm going to let you look at it, and I'm enjoying this kit, and you will see some of the polishes on my next set of nails. It comes with a lot of goodies in here, and I know that you will enjoy them. So, guys, I'm going to leave you with this video, and you go ahead over to Amazon and order this Modelones. Altogether, it's 71 pieces in it, but there's 32 colors of gel polish. And so, check them out, guys. I'm sure you'll enjoy. All right, I will talk to you in my next video. Enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.